is for car, the king of daily travel, also the boss of traffic jam. T is for drone, a tiny flying machine with big confidence, spies on everything from above. E is for electric scooter, silent and speedy street ninja, appears suddenly near your feet. F is for fire truck, loud sirens, heroic entrance, traffic clears instantly. G is for garbage truck, the city's loudest morning visitor, wakes everyone up for free. H is for helicopter, the VIP ride up the sky, sounds like a giant fan. I is for ice cream van, the happiest vehicle ever made, kids chase it like a mission. J is for jet, fast enough to outrun clouds, noise included at no extra cost. K is for kayak, a small boat powered by your arms, fun now, pain tomorrow. L is for limousine, long car with luxury attitude, looks like a moving palace. M is for motorcycle, speedy and stylish road rebel, helmet is its best friend. N is for nuclear submarine, the most serious underwater vehicle, silent, powerful, and mysterious. O is for off-road jeep, built for mud and adventure, city roads feel too boring. P is for police car, makes everyone drive perfectly suddenly, fear is the best traffic rule. Q is for quad bike, four wheels, full fun mode, perfect for dirt and chaos. R is for rickshaw, small but legendary, busy streets, turns traffic into an art form. S is for ship, a floating city on water, slow but proud traveler. T is for train, runs like a disciplined giant, always dramatic at stations. U is for US uncle, one wheel, endless balance struggle, looks easy, feels impossible. V is for van, carries people, goods, and chaos, the multi-purpose road box. W is for wheelchair,